is to believe in yourself and believe that you can accomplish anything in life that you want to as long as you put your mind to it.
We gon' put it right to their face. Yeah. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? So back with another video, you feel what I'm saying? Today, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a deal with me. I made a deal with somebody for some PS5, so we already broke the deal down. I'm gonna show you the deal up on the screen. I'm gonna show you how much you paying. Broke the whole thing down. Told you guys once I got that key, I was gonna be taking y'all with me, man. So we're gonna go meet the dude up. Seemed like a real hype beast. I'm gonna show some pictures of some stuff he sent me. He got a big collection. We're gonna go meet him. I'll take you guys with me. Let's get into it. All right, so he just made it here. He put up in a white Porsche, so we finna drive over there to him real quick.
That boy is Benny Honda.
How you doing, man? Hi, how are you, sir? What's up, nice to meet you, man. Hey, shoes, man. What's the shoes? All right. All right, man. I like the car, though. So you said, so you said cool with the 28? All right, get the truck real quick. Yeah. So we got 4 right here. Okay. So you have the money and everything?
Yeah, okay. Then can you help me quickly?
Sure, yeah.
So 2,800.
800.
Yeah.
Sure.
1, 2. Thank you, my friend.
Some business with you.
Yeah,
sure,
just let me know whenever you have the PS5.
For sure, yeah. You say you buy them in bulk 10 to 20?
Yeah, like 10 to 20, same time, it doesn't matter.
10 to 20. Do you buy shoes as well?
Yeah, I can buy everything. Yeah.
For sure, man. Yeah, nice doing business with you, man.
Yeah, okay, just send me your YouTube channel.
YouTube, for sure, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you have a good one.
I give you just 1 subscribe.
All right, for sure, man. All right, guys, so we just got done with the deal. Smooth little deal, cuz cool. You see the drip on him. He got the fear guard. Travis Scott's on the feet, got the red guts in the Porsche, but that dude clean, I ain't gonna lie to you. You see he cashed this out, so we straight, man, we straight. He got us right, so I'm finna go chill, man. I'm gonna break everything down to y'all once I get back to the house. And yeah, man, I'm gonna cut to the next thing.
That boy is Benny Honda.
All right, YouTube, so this is the next clip. This is a completely different day from when I recorded the first part of the video, but I just wanted to come on and tell you guys, man, I just want to come on and talk to you guys about my sort of mindset and how I see things, my perspective on business and just life in general as an 18-year-old. Basically, I just want to come on and tell you guys that, man, you know, I really gotten to see that anything truly is possible, man, once you put your mind to it. I know that sounds real cliche, but I haven't even accomplished, you know, 10% of what I really want to accomplish in life, or what I really want to accomplish by 20 years old. But just by far what I've accomplished in my time, in this short time span, it's it's just been incredible, man. I just accomplished a new goal that I'm not gonna come out about yesterday. Just got a great call the other day. And I mean, you know, it's crazy because I envisioned the email that I was gonna get, like I don't know, I can't really go too deep into it, but I just know that, man, you know, everything's gonna start aligning, man. Once you start putting your 110% in, once you start really studying and focusing on your craft and really honing in on your craft, you know what I'm saying, and really sharpening your craft, everything's gonna fall into place, man. I mean, you know, you just gotta really believe in yourself and believe in what you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to do. Because once you believe in yourself, nothing's gonna stop you, man. I mean, just watching that Kanye documentary really just instilled something into me, because when I seen him so passionate and so motivated about his music, it really just reminded me about my own self. You know, just seeing how hungry he was to be successful. Because that's how I feel, man. I just want to get it, and I know I'm gonna get it. You feel what I'm saying? And once you know you can get it, once you know you can accomplish what you want to accomplish, nothing's gonna stop you. Nothing's gonna get in your way. Just remember that, man. Just stay focused. Keep the goal in sight. Don't let anything steer you off of your road. Anything steer you off of what you're trying to accomplish. Don't let no distractions come your way, man. Because I know it's probably entrepreneurs that watch my videos, you know, young entrepreneurs. You could be older. It doesn't matter, man. Any age, you still have goals in mind. You still have things you want to accomplish. And I feel like my videos could correlate to everybody, every age bracket. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want to be that religious person, but man, you know, I really just talked to God, and I just prayed to him and asked him to instill what I needed instilled inside of me to accomplish what I just accomplished. You know what I'm saying? And it's still so much more. I see so much for myself. You know what I'm saying? I mean, man, just set a goal for yourself. Make sure you guys do read. Reading, I need to get better on reading, because I've been doing reading. I've been listening to a lot of podcasts. Ty Lopez is somebody I've really been heavy on with podcasts, but make sure you guys start reading, start listening to podcasts, all that, man. Try to get information from any and every way that you can, because all the information, you just gotta act as a sponge, man. Soak all the information that you can in, because at the end of the day, a podcast, a book, everything they put in those books, everything they said in that podcast, they done been through. If you listen to what they saying, that's an extra step that you can avoid, an extra mistake that you can avoid that they have already made. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I think reading and podcasting is so beneficial, because it's kind of like taking a shortcut in life. It's kind of like shortcutting your way to success in a way. I mean, it's not going to lead you directly to success, but it's going to help you along the way. It's going to help you make a lot of decisions that might otherwise be difficult if you hadn't listened to that podcast, if you haven't read that book. You see what I'm saying? So make sure you guys read, listen to podcasts, listen to influential people, and listen to people that's already done what you done. If somebody ain't done what you're trying to do, or they haven't accomplished what you're trying to get to, don't listen to them. Cut them out. Turn them ears off like that. You feel what I'm saying? Don't listen to them, because I mean, everybody has a good perspective. Everybody has, you know, everybody's insightful, and they have their own 2 cents they want to put in. But at the end of the day, if somebody hasn't really been through or been down the road that you're trying to go to, what sense does it make to go and talk to them? What sense does it make to listen to what they have to say? I mean, you can listen to what they have to say, but you know, it's not going to be as beneficial as beneficial as if you go to somebody that's already been there, that's already made it. So make sure you guys do listen to insightful people and people that's very knowledgeable about the place that you're trying to get to. And yeah, guys, I mean, I just see so much for myself, and I want you guys to think the same way. I want you guys to believe in yourself as much as I believe in myself, because I see so much in myself, man. I just get so motivated and so pumped up in a way. You know, when I just know something good is coming in. One more thing that I want to tell y'all is, if I know y'all don't know, but I actually was in a car accident late December. I had just got my car. My dad had just gave me my first car for my 18th birthday. I got in a wreck, totaled the car out, right? And you don't even know the type of space, the type of mindset I was in, man. I was just so down, because one, I messed up a free car opportunity. I messed up that good opportunity. And two, I just felt like no one would entrust me anymore. No one would think I was responsible anymore. And of course, I mean, we see that's changed. But I kept asking myself, why me? Why does this have to happen to me? But at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason. Everything that happens to you is to help you. You know, down the line, once you look back, you'll be like, okay, that was a lesson. That was just something to learn from. That was something to help me for in the future. And I mean, you know, I'm just blessed to be in the position I was in, because I say 20 days after I crashed the car, you know, I was in the financial position to just go and buy me a new car, and I bought this car. I want you guys to just be prepared for anything that comes your way, man. That's another lesson. Just be prepared for anything that comes your way. Make sure you guys are saving your bread. Don't spend your bread. I mean, even if you got a girl, man, you know, you can still take her out, you can still buy her things, but don't go crazy. Don't just blow all your money. Don't be irresponsible with every single dollar that you make, because at the end of the day, if anything can happen, and I learned that day, anything can happen in life. I thought I was the safest driver driving. Anything can happen, man. I mean, I would have never expected. I have a car for 3 months after my birthday, and then boom, out of nowhere, it's gone. You see what I'm saying? So anything can happen. Make sure you guys be prepared. Keep some money stashed. Keep some money, you know, in your pocket. Don't just be living drop from drop or paycheck to paycheck, whatever you're doing. If you got a job, or if you reselling, or if you're an entrepreneur of some sort, don't try to, you know what I'm saying? Don't try to just, you know what I'm saying? So basically, just make sure you have some money. Make sure you're prepared for anything. Make sure you're prepared, especially for opportunities, because opportunities always gonna come. And you definitely gonna need some money for opportunities in the entrepreneurial space, in the reselling space, especially. So make sure you guys got some money stacked up to go out and venture in those opportunities. And man, I'm about to venture in so much things. I can't wait to document it on this YouTube channel. It's gonna be crazy, because I'm telling you, man, in the next 5 years, man, I'm 18 right now. In the next 5 years, I'm gonna be 23. Man, I mean, I see myself somewhere crazy. Like, my vision is just crazy of where I see myself in the future. And just make sure you guys aim high. Don't make your goals too attainable, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? If people say stop at the moon, you aim for the stars. I'm aiming to take over the whole world. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I mean, it's so much out here, and that's what people don't understand. There's so much opportunity out here that we can take advantage of, that people aren't taking advantage of. And I just want to be that person to take advantage of every single opportunity that's headed my way, and that's in my reach, because I know that I'm capable of accomplishing so much. I'm so knowledgeable and so articulate with how I talk. I know I can. I just know I can do so much for myself and eventually for the world, because man, I want to make a difference. Once I do reach my goals and accomplish everything that I want to accomplish, my next step is going to be to, you know what I'm saying, just make a difference in the world. But first, we're going to get that bread. We're going to stack that bread, because that's the main objective right now, man. We getting that money. And I'm telling you, it's going to be a crazy next few months, because I got some big stuff coming. Just got a big opportunity that I'm taking advantage of, and this reselling stuff is going nowhere but up. PS5 prices going back up. Make sure you guys do go watch my last. It's my last second video. You feel what I'm saying? So basically, it's about reselling PS5s. Make sure you guys go watch that. Check that video out. PS5s back on the move. Make sure you guys do get down how to start reselling these PS5s, because PS5s are going crazy right now. And that money is looking really good. You feel what I'm saying? Even Xbox is going back up. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this segment is to believe in yourself and believe that you can accomplish anything in life that you want to, as long as you put your mind to it. Don't give up. Keep pushing. And as I said, when it starts getting hard, when times get the darkest, when times get the hardest, when it seems like the whole world is against you, weighing on your shoulders, hey, that's when you're going to see the end of the tunnel. That's when the most success is going to come. That's when you're going to start thriving. That's when new beginnings are going to start to hatch. So as I said, guys, as times start getting the toughest, that's an indicator of when you got to keep pushing, because you just finna see the light. The door is just finna open. So make sure you guys stay focused. Keep that head on straight. If you guys are young like me, feel free to go to my Instagram, man. Message me. I'll be giving everybody free advice. I'm gonna start charging though, so make sure you guys get your questions in quick, because I'm gonna start charging soon, man. Trust me. But you know, so I just like to help people. If you guys got any questions, man, like I said, go to my Instagram. Go in the comment section. I'll reply to you. And yeah, it's been your boy Cold Kicks. We're going nowhere but up in the future. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna want to stay tuned for this channel. It's going nowhere but up. And if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, especially. It's been your boy, and I'm out.